Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a React project in 2025. These days, the recommended way to install and start a React project is by using Vite. It's fast, modern, and super easy to use. So, let's get started. First, make sure that Node.js is installed on your system and updated to the latest version. You can download it from nodejs.org. Please open your app to see this link. Just run the installer and keep clicking Next until it's done. It's as simple as that. Now, go to the folder where you want to create your project. Open a terminal or command prompt in that location. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I've opened the integrated terminal, but you can use any terminal you're comfortable with. Next, go to the official Vite documentation and copy the React starter command. Paste that into your terminal and hit enter. After that, just follow the prompts. First, it will ask for the project name. Let's type Tisfala app. Then it will ask for the package name. By default, it suggests something like Tisfula app, and that's perfectly fine. Just press enter to accept it, or type your own if you prefer. Next, you'll need to select a framework. Let's choose React. After that, you'll be asked to select a variant. I'll choose JavaScript, but feel free to pick TypeScript if you prefer using TS. Now for the final setup instructions. First, move into your project folder by typing cd tisfala app. Then install the dependencies using npm install. The installation will begin. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, your app is ready to run. Just type npm run dev. If everything went well, Vite will start a local development server. To view your app, open your browser and go to http:/localhost 5173. You'll see the default React starter page. And of course, from here, you can start modifying the code and building your own app. As you can see, it's really easy to set up a React app using Vite. There will be other tutorials on how to create real-world projects using React. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.